If you want to hide photos and videos on OnePlus 15R, you can go to the Photos app. After that, we can just open any of the photos or videos that you want to hide, and then we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and we have the lock option, so we can tap over here and then confirm by pressing OK. And of course, if you do this for the first time, you might need to set up the privacy password, unless you already have a privacy password, which is possible if you use, for example, the app lock or private safe or stuff like that. So in my case, I'm going to tap set password. We can change the password type in case you don't want to use a PIN code. Let's say I'm going to choose a pattern. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm, and then we have security settings. So you can choose a recovery email, or you can go for a security question. Of course, in your case, you want to set it up properly. Now, once we have the private safe created, because the lock is actually the private safe, then we can actually go back and lock the file. There we go. Now in here, once you lock the file, you can, for example, press and hold your finger on this slider in here that you have, for example, on photos, and then you can enter the password in order to find your hidden photos and videos. If you have album selected, this should work as well, so essentially you just have to press and hold your finger at the bottom of the screen where we have photos and albums. And yeah, that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.